Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Really fast one today. I started off some cantaloupe seeds that I harvested. It was either last year or the year before. I've just had them dried and they were just sitting around. And here we go, cantaloupe, April the 28th, 2022. And so what I had done, I had just wet some paper towel and then added the seeds in, and look at this. And this is 5 days later. I'm going to open them up and look at this. And I am pretty sure, let's see, even that one's starting to grow right there. So I would say we have 100% germination on these seeds. These seeds, I had bought a cantaloupe at Costco, and I do have that on my YouTube channel somewhere where I go into a little bit more detail about these. But anyway, there we have it. So that's pretty impressive. And those seeds, I didn't really do anything with them. They were sitting around in a little bowl. So I guess I'll end off this video here. I'll just make it a really fast one. I've got some other seeds I want to show you, but I'll just flip that over to a new video. So that there is the cantaloupe seeds, and those I started off April the 28th, 2022. I will come back with another video once I do something with them, which will be in the next couple of days or so. So that's it for today's really fast video, and I'll see you on the next one.